Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and USDJPY on the lower time frames. But before we look at what has happened on the lower time frames, before we check what is happening on the lower time frames, uh, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, I will starting with gold on the weekly time frame. What I can see for gold on the weekly time frame is I can see uh, a double top. Okay, this is the first top. Okay, and this is the second top. All right. Uh, the the price is currently at the neckline. All right, price currently at the neckline. Okay, around the neckline. So a break below and retest. Okay, then a further drop might indicate that price will continue to go down. But we can also look at it as a possible triple top on the weekly time frame if we are going to take this as the left shoulder. We can say we have head and shoulder pattern. Is the left shoulder is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So we'll be expecting price to drop as a result of this the formation of the triple top that we are looking at. All right, we might take this as the possible, neckline. Like price has broken the neckline, where we expect to see a kind of retest, and then they drop. All right, but this is the weekly time frame, and this might take weeks or months. Okay, and price might just start to reverse and then go up for us to have a double bottom around here. But that's that for gold. Okay, let's look at the daily time frame if there is any clue to what we should be expecting on the daily time frame. The price of gold is we have a top around here. We have the break of this structure around here for us to have more like a change of character around this particular point. Okay, and then we can see the retest. Okay, and the price dropped from a low. We have a high, and the price came back to this low. So price at a support. We might see price push up a bit before attempting to go down some more. All right, for the trend to develop. But that's that for the daily time frame. Is there any other thing on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, we have this particular order block. Okay, we have this order block on the daily time frame, where price might, if price is actually going to close this gap on the left side, price might get to this order block before finding some support. All right, but currently there's a likelihood for price to find an immediate support around this area. We might see a retracement of this down leg. Might see retracement up to the 23.6% Fibonacci level, which is at 1917 area. If price retraces up to this point and continues, if price retraces to this point and continues the downward trend, then we'll take it as a strong bearish trend. And even if price retraces up to the 38.2% Fibonacci level, that's around the 1930 level and continues the downward trend, then we might take it as a strong trend. Okay, strong bearish trend. All right, so that's that for the daily time frame. Price going to retrace. We might see retracement up to this point. We might see retracement up to this point. Okay, those are the other block levels where price might likely trace up to. All right, that's that for the daily time frame for gold. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame still shows that the trend is bearish. Okay, price still sliding. If we have to draw a trend line, we have to draw our trend line. Okay, we have to draw the trend line. Price is still bearish, and the 4-hour trend line, okay, descending trend line is still expected. A break above the trend line, the price is obviously going to meet so many other blocks on the way that might serve as supply or resistance to price. Okay, we have one right here. We have another one at this point, another one at this point. We have several other blocks. Okay, so price might need to break all this, okay, for price to continue to go up and for us to have a reversal. But that is unlikely for now, looking at the trend. So we expect price to turn down at some point, not too distant point. So price to turn down for the bearish trend to continue. That's for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, the bulls came in at this point, but we can see a sharp reversal. That's an indication that the bears are still in control. The bears are still in control. Looking at the candlesticks on the chart on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, looking at the candlesticks, you can see that the red candles are, more active, more dominant. We have more red candles, longer red candles, of course, on the screen, and that's why the slope is downward. So until we have a break above this particular descending trend line, price is expected to still drop. All right, so on the 1-hour time frame, on the 30 minutes time frame, recent 5 still bearish, but what we have right now is like a range. Our range top, let's take this as our range top. Okay, and let's take this as our range bottom. Okay, so price is expected to range within this particular level until we have a break above or a break below. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is ranging as well. We have a range within a range. Okay, this is range top, and this is range bottom on the 15 minutes time frame. So we expect price to break out of this range. A breakout of this range, if price breaks above, we have this descending trend line that might be like a resistance to price. Okay, and then we have this other block on 15 minutes time frame that might serve as supply to price. Okay, price could get to this other block. Price could get to let's say around here, which is in confluence with the descending trend line. That's the 1908 level, and then start to drop. for the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price is range within a range within a range. Okay, so more like price of gold is expecting a particular news. At the break of the news, price might likely find direction, but for now we have range within a range within a range. So it's in this range. The break above this, we have the 1908 level. That might be target. Break below this, we have this other block around here. Price might find support at this other block, which is at the 1900 level. So if the other price breaks out to the top side to find 1908 or 09 or 1910 level, or breaks to the bottom to find the 1900 level. So for now, the price of gold is ranging, but the overall trend is bearish. All right, so that's that for gold. Let's take a look at gbpusd. On the weekly time frame, gbpusd is currently let's say forming a top. The weekly time frame, we have a top, this is a tweezer top. The weekly time frame, and price is more like a range. Let's take this as the left shoulder. This is the head. You might see price forming the right shoulder, and then we might see price forming a top. There's a possibility, but it will take some time. On the daily time frame, what do we have? Price of gbpusd. We might take this as the left shoulder, might take this as the head, and this is our right shoulder, and of course with the break of the neckline. Okay, price might likely drop, but if you take a look at what is happening here, we are seeing price currently finding a stable, like an equilibrium between the buyers and the sellers around this point. So more like price is ranging in this particular area. Price is ranging. So gbpusd on the daily time frame can be said to be ranging. We have a drop, we have a rise, this rise, then the drop, and then we have a range. Now we might see a break to the top side. If price breaks to the top side, we have this other block around here. We have this other block around here that might serve as resistance to price. Okay, price might find resistance around this point. Okay, so that's that for gbpusd. It's ranging on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it's also ranging. Okay, it's also ranging. We have this is the range top. Okay, and we have the range bottom. This is the range bottom on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so it's ranging. Then on the 1-hour time frame, gbpusd is also ranging. So no clear direction for now. No clear direction for gbpusd for now. Okay. On the 30 minutes, also ranging. 15 minutes ranging. Okay, still ranging. So let's take a look at eurusd. Eurusd on the weekly time frame. If we say this is the bear bullish trend line. Okay, then we have price breaking the trend line, suggesting that price might likely drop on the weekly time frame. Drop some more. It's been dropping. Might likely see further drop to this particular other block It's a likelihood the price might likely drop to this other block on the weekly time frame for Euro USD. But on the daily time frame, price of Euro USD can be said to be retracing. Okay, this is an impulsive, okay, wave, okay, impulsive price movement, and so far this is a retracement. Okay, so if we are going to use Fibonacci to know the extent of retracement, okay, it retraced up to 61.8% Fibonacci level. So if price is going to go up, we can see that the trend is somehow weak, and we might have a double top if price goes up. Trend is currently weak, so we might have a double top. But that's for Euro USD on the daily time frame. But for now, the possibility for now is that price might likely drop further. Looking at the weeks on the chart this week, okay, this is another one, okay, this is a longer one, suggesting that sellers are active in the market, more active than the buyers. So we might see further drop. So if price is going to drop, we have price has dropped to this other block, okay, and price trying to find some level of support so that price can go up. But if price is going to drop further, we have this particular order block at the 1.07500 level. Price might find support at that particular order block. Okay, but that's that for the daily time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, Euro USD is currently ranging after a bearish price movement. So we have a range. The range top is around this point, and this is the range bottom for Euro USD. This is the range bottom. So price currently ranging on the 1-hour time frame, still ranging. 30 minutes time frame ranging. Price at the is at the middle point of the range. So until we have a breakout, range traders might want to sell at the top and buy at the bottom. Let's quickly take a look at USDJPY on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame shows that the price of USDJPY is still bullish. Okay, the trend is still bullish, and price aiming for the top on the weekly time frame. Looking at what has just happened, we have a breakout of this structure. Okay, so with the breakout of this structure on the weekly time frame, we might see price getting a minimum to the 148.663 level. That's the minimum point, okay, where price might get to. We also have the all-time high 151.925 level. That's a possibility. So if on the weekly time frame, if it looks like USDJPY is going to go up, you should definitely know that gold, XAUUSD will go the opposite way, because they are negatively correlated. So you should expect gold to go further down. All right, so if we just look at USDJPY, what's it doing? expect gold to do the opposite. And looking at 3-drive pattern, you can see 3-drive pattern. This is the first bottom, there's the second bottom, and this is the third bottom. So this shows that price is going to go up. So if price of USDJPY is going to go up, expect price of gold to drop some more. On the daily time frame, you can see another 3-drive on the chart. This is another 3-drive pattern. That's the first, second, and third. Okay, so and you can see price is going up. Okay, price might come back to this level. Okay, and then find some support and continue to go up. So if you are going to buy USDJPY and you know USDJPY is definitely going to go up, then expect to sell gold. So for now, price of USDJPY is bullish, but on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that it's currently ranging. And I'll say it's ranging upwards. Okay, so range top, the 1-hour time frame. Okay, this is our range bottom. Okay, so they expect price to go up on the 30-minute time frame, ranging, 15 minutes time frame ranging, but most definitely this top will give way and the price will continue to go up. So if USDJPY is going to continue to buy, look for selling opportunities on gold. So that's that for today. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you are yet to get notified on any of our videos, click the bell button below the video so that you receive notification. You can drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Also, share the video to your friends and loved ones. We have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade. Also, go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.